Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to create your VIDAA account on your new VIDAA Smart TV. So if you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share this video for more important ones like this. So once you buy your VIDAA TV or Hisense TV, this is how it looks like. This is mine. I just bought this a couple of weeks ago. I want to create a VIDAA account already, and that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So once you buy your Hisense TV, here's how it looks like. Now you have to create a VIDAA account to get all or explore all the features of your Hisense TV. So to create a VIDAA account, just come over to profile, and in the profile they're going to give you the option of creating a VIDAA account, as you can see here. So I'm just going to go ahead and create along with you. So click on sign in or create account. And once you're here, they'll ask you to put in your email address. Okay, so here I'm just going to type in my email address. Just give me a moment. So once you type in your email address, all you have to do is click OK, and a code is going to be sent to your email address. So the code has been sent to my email box. All I have to do is to go to my email box and type in the code that has been sent here. So you can check the email box maybe on your phone or on your other device. So I'm checking this on my phone right now, and the code that has been sent to me is this. So here is the code. Now once that's done, I just go ahead and click OK and then verify. So they're going to verify the code is OK, and now they have been asking me to edit a profile name. So I'm just going to put in something simple. My profile name is something simple. So it's your smart TV. Just put in a profile name that works for you. Mine is just Dave. So once that is done, I'll just go ahead and click OK, and then that is my profile name. Now I'm going to choose a profile emoji, so I think I'll go with this. Yep, I'll go with this. And hola, set content preferences, the kind of content that I love. So I don't really know. I love action, I love music. I can just choose several. I love crime, I love drama, I love horror. And then I confirm. If you don't like it, just skip. So I'm just going to click confirm here. And then who is watching this? Now I can go ahead to see more account settings here, like your benefits, backup data. You can sign out from here. So account information, this way you can change, create a password if you don't have one already. You can create a password here. You can create a password here. If you don't want to create a password, you can look at your benefits of having a VIDAA account. For now, I just created my account. I don't have benefits yet. So with time, that is going to be done. So if I want to sign out, I just sign out here. But that's it. And to go back, I can just go back to my account, and voila, I've created my VIDAA account on my Hisense TV. And that's how to create a VIDAA account on Hisense TV. It's as easy as that. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more important videos like this.